Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with some of the Udemy paid courses that are completely free for you. Without wasting our time, let's move on to our first course. The first course is based on making Python GUI applications using Qt, and is in this course you will also be taught how to connect it to the database. The course is going to be very interesting. The course is of 2 hours. So if you are interested, you can buy this course for free. The link is given in the description box. The next course is based on time series analysis, and in this also you will be able to make a real world project based on Python programming language, and you will be able to forecast the future data based on the past data. So the course is of 3 hours again, and you will get a certification on the completion. The next course is on Scrum fundamentals. So guys, if you are interested in the Scrum, so you can go for this course. In this course you will be studying about the advantages and disadvantages of Scrums, how to get into the estimations, about the 3 Scrum artifacts, and many more things. The course is of 2 hours. If you are interested, then you can go for this course. So the next course is based on how to make money from home as a transcriptionist. So guys, if you are at home in this lockdown, I think most of the people are at home. Basically the student, they can earn using this course. So the course is of 1 hour. In this you will be taught how to, they will taught you 10 different options to make money from home as being a transcriptionist. So the next course is how to plan your YouTube marketing strategy. So guys, if you want to make your own YouTube channel, so how to they will taught you how to do marketing. So in this course you will be taught various marketing strategies and many more things. So the course is of 4.5 hours, and if you are interested in this, you can go for this course. The link is in the description box. The next course is based on OBS Studio. Guys, again, if you want to start your OBS Studio, if anything, if you want to start recording anything, so you can go for OBS Studio. It is, I would say, the best recorder. You can record on what you need. So it has the best settings. So I would recommend you all to go for this course. The course is of 2.5 hours. The link is given in the description box. The next course is based on Forex. So guys, if you want to learn the Fibonacci trading, so you can go for this course. The course is of 35 minutes, and you will get a certification on the completion. The next course is based on Qt5 widgets for the beginners with C++. So guys, Qt5 is basically a designer, and if you want to learn about the various widgets in the Qt, then you can go for this course. Here you can see you will be able to learn about Q widget, Q group box, check boxes, radio buttons, and many more things. So here it will be in C++. So guys, if you are interested in learn Qt designer using C++, then you can go for this course. And the length of the course is much larger. Here you can see it is 17.5 hours. So you will be able to learn a lot. So if you are interested in this, you can go for this course. The link is in the description box. The next course is based on Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, if you are interested in learning how to make a logo, business cards, and like any other design, so you can go for this course. So the course is basically of 10.5 hours, and there are 4 downloadable resources in this. So you will definitely get a certification on the completion. And the final course for this video is based on Certified Information System Auditor CISA. So guys, in this you will be provided with various test questions. So here you can see you will be having 6 test cases, sorry, and there are more than 200 questions. Here you can see 259, 250. So most of the questions are having 250 questions, so you can say, so you can go for it if you want to prepare for CISA. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.